You must be Rob.
I am.
Welcome to Casa Solika. Come on in.
All right. Wow. Man, this is so cool.
A little bit of a drive through here, isn't it?
A little bit of a drive, but you know, once you get here, it is worth it. I've seen a lot of homes. I know this is plaster.
That's right.
What is this?
This is a material called chacum. It comes from the Yucatan.
You're pinned up on the beach, one of the most private beaches in all of the area, and you are king of the land right here, my friend.
You gotta love it. We want you to relax. We want you to enjoy it. You show up to Casa Solika and we want you to take ownership.
The thing that I love so much when I first got here is big, huge sliding glass windows to the pool, huge palapa right out to the ocean. You basically made this your front view right to one of the most best views right out here.
We call it Wabi-Sabi, right? They want you to feel the life of perfection of water, meeting land, meeting the jungle.
From the outside, kind of walk me in some of your favorite elements that you curated, from colors to designs throughout the house.
Well, when you first enter the estancia, you're gonna come into the vestibule. The vestibule was a very key component of the design. We wanted you to feel that you weren't constricted to any space. And then you open up directly overlooking the pool into the ocean. Phenomenal view is from upstairs. You go into the primary suite, balcony hangs over throughout the entire second floor, your outdoor shower. Once you're up there, you know, you got your coffee bar set up. You don't want to leave. But if you do happen to have to leave, you can visit your family down there. You have the junior suite right next door, also with an outdoor shower. Also coffee bar.
Now, are these two casitas the same?
No, they're not. Casita on the left here that has a loft and sleeps 6. And on the opposite side, I love to call that the honeymoon suite. It's a little cute casita, one of my favorite spots. Very cozy, outdoor shower as well, and a king size bed.
So what is one of your favorite experiences you like to curate for your guests to sort of force having them a good time?
Well, from the very beginning, we're welcoming you in with welcome drinks and welcome appetizers. Yeah. And from there, you go right to happy hour.
You do a happy hour?
Dude, who doesn't do a happy hour?
Most people don't do a happy hour. But can we do a happy hour right now? See, I knew I liked you.
Come on in. It's something here I'd really want you to appreciate that we do for our guests every night that come in here and have dinner.
Beyond what you do for the guests, this is, come on. This is what you sign up for.
And the guests are number one in our house. And now I want to introduce you to happy hour.
And what does happy hour consist of?
Happy hour consists of our chef Rodo bringing in his plata de extraordinary charcuterie. It's the happy hour train. Cheers, brother.
Cheers. What are people doing when they're out here on the water?
So what's really special about this location, Litibú, Casa Solika, we've got opportunity here to surf cast. We're fishing right off the beach. We can go out and snorkel.
And you got this perfect beach setup though. Like that is something that you don't see in a lot of spots. The ability to whatever you want out there is basically limitless. So how does it get better?
You haven't experienced our sunset yet. I got a spot for you, even better.
Where's the one better? I'm following you.
All right, let's go. Rob, Miriam.
Nice to meet you.
Miriam. Miriam's our Casa Solika administrator. She'll take care of our clients' every need.
I've seen a lot of vacation rentals, my friend, but this one, it does have it all. It has the views, it has the amenities.
And most importantly, the sunset.
Cheers.
Cheers to that.
You were right, you did one up it.